So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make big money as a broke beginner. Now, if you've been searching all over YouTube trying to find a way that you can actually make money online that's actually long-term as well, where you can actually increase your profits over time, then this is going to be the video for you. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what the strategy is, other people who are actually leveraging this strategy, who are actually making money with this, the tools that you'll need in order to make this happen. And again, all you will need is about a few hours per week to set this up, and you can start earning from your channel. And also, as a bonus tip, I'm going to share with you at the end of the video is a way that you can actually do this strategy and actually earn an additional income stream with this, so that way you're able to make more money. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So again, watch the video, make sure you don't miss any steps, and again, stay to the end so you can get my bonus hack, so that way you can actually earn more money with the strategy. So let's dive into the content. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So right now we're looking at socialblade.com, and we're looking at a channel called Chilled Cow. Now, as you can see here, their estimated monthly earnings is anywhere from $10.9 thousand all the way up to $174,000 per month. Now, they could be meeting at the median of this particular average and earning every single month, and it's a possibility that they could be actually earning way more than $174,000 with this channel. And all this channel, what they do is that they upload music use still images for those actual the music they upload, and they're actually earning from YouTube AdSense. Now, make sure you stay until the end of the video to learn about my bonus tip. So that's going to show you how you can earn before you even get monetized with YouTube, so that way you can start bringing in some additional income. So that's what this channel is doing. Another channel that's similar to Chilled Cow is also Chill Hop Music. Now, on Chill Hop Music, their estimated monthly earnings are anywhere from $3.1 thousand all the way up to about $50,000 per month. So again, they could be meeting at the median somewhere, or they could actually be earning more than $50,000 per month with their channel. And on these channels, what they are actually doing is they're actually just uploading lo-fi hip hop or lo-fi music beats to these stations, and it's like music that people can actually relax to, or they can actually study with, right? So the reason why we're going to use probably still images for this particular strategy is because most people aren't looking at the screen while they're listening to the music. They're really listening to the music. They're probably doing their work on their computer or things like that. So again, this particular channel right here, Chill Cow, has over 6 million subscribers, and then Chill Hop Music has over about 3 million subscribers over here as well. And as you guys can see here, with both of these channels, they kind of have like a little mascot. So for Chill Hop Music, they have a raccoon, and with Chill Cow, obviously they have a cow. So one thing that you want to do to make your channel stand out and start to go ahead and brand your channel is you want to go ahead and get a mascot. So the first thing you can do is you can come over here to Fiverr.com, and you can do a search for a 2D cartoon animal image. So we see a variety of things come up, but what stood out to me is this little penguin right here. And you can get this done for as like for $5. So you can create the lo-fi penguin channel or something like that, and you can go ahead and have this drawn out for you, and you can use this as the mascot for your lo-fi beats channel. Now, once you have that, the next thing you want to do is you want to find music that you can upload to YouTube. And with this, what I'm going to share with you is approved by YouTube, and you won't get copyright striked or anything like that by using this music. So what you want to do is you want to, after you have created a YouTube account, what you want to do is you want to go to the YouTube studio, and then you want to click on Audio Library. Now, once you're over here on Audio Library, they'll actually have a variety of different genres that you can actually find music in. So you find genres of dance and electronica, reggae, hip hop, classical, pop, and things like that as well. And if you want to do a similar channel to the ones that I'm sharing with you in this video, some good music that you can actually find on here that's similar to that is in the R&B soul category. So what we will do here is we'll come over here to the filter by search, or search by filter, and we're going to go to genre, and then we're going to choose R&B soul. Now we have a whole list of different R&B tracks that come up. They have like different tempos to them and everything else. So just to kind of get an example of what you can actually hear on some of these R&B tracks or something like this. So yeah, that'll just kind of give you an idea of the type of music that you can use. So again, this is a really good example of some of the music that you can use, that you can upload to YouTube, and you can actually start to earn with it. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to find you a still image. Now the reason why I say that is because if we come over here to Chilled Cow channel, and let's say we go ahead and choose this selection right here, we can see the music is playing in the back. I have it muted right now. But what they're showing right here is a still image. It looks like an oil painting. So what we want to do here is we want to come to websites that offer royalty-free stock videos, stock photos, and things like that. So we'll come over here to pexels.com. You also have unsplash.com. You also have pixabay.com. And what you can do here is you can choose, or you can insert oil painting. Now we see a variety of different things that actually show up. So you can use oil painting. You can also search by art. And you have a variety of different things that you can actually download for free on these websites, so that way you can use them on your videos. So what you want to do is, once you have one of these, you chose one of these images and you have it downloaded, the next thing that you want to do is you want to use a video editor in order to make this happen. So if you have a Mac computer like I do, you have iMovie. If you have a PC, you'll use Windows Movie Maker. So let me show you what it will actually look like using my iMovie. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. So right now we're looking at my iMovie, and as you guys can see here, I use it quite often to edit these videos for YouTube. And what I will actually do here is that I will find the actual image that I had got from Pexels, and I will drag it here to the editor. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to find the music that I downloaded from YouTube Audio Library. So let me grab some music here, and I'm just going to drag this down below the image. So now you have the music right there. And then all I would do is I would actually just stretch this image to the length of the music, and that's it. That's literally all I'm doing. And then I'm just going to upload this to YouTube. Download it to my computer, and then I'm going to upload it to YouTube. That's as simple as it takes to actually create these videos, right? So now that I have it downloaded to my computer, make sure that you go back to the audio library. Make sure you grab the name of the song that you're using and the artist. And then what you want to do is similar to what Chill Cow does. They have the name of the song. They'll put the artist name or whatever else here. And then you'll upload that to YouTube. And then once you have done that, it will look similar to this right here. Now, in order to get your channel started, in order for you to actually start earning with AdSense, this is what you want to do. And again, make sure you stay to the end so I can show you a way that you can actually monetize your channel before you get approved by AdSense. So if we go back to the home page for Chill Cow, we can see here that they upload videos about twice a week. Now, those could definitely be maintenance videos, meaning that in the beginning of this channel of creation, they probably released a lot of content on this channel in order to get that jump start and to increase their viewership. And then once they got to a certain point, they now release 2 videos a week in order to maintain the channel. So what you would need to do is, in order to go ahead and boost your channel up, is that you want to release a video every single day. You want to go ahead and just hack the algorithm. And I share with you really quickly how you can do this inside of any type of editor, either iMovie or even Windows Movie Maker. It only takes just about a few minutes to do this. And what you want to do is you want to come back to the audio library. You want to download at least 30 songs from the library. And they release new music every single month. So they also have backlogged music. So you can just go ahead and click on these arrows and it'll take you to additional music that they have in the library. And then what you want to do is you want to come to a website like this, pexels.com, pixabay.com, or anything like that. Download at least about 30 images that you can use. And then what you want to do is you want to take out at least an hour and a half in order to create these short videos using your video movie maker. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and upload those to YouTube, and you want to schedule them out. And that only took you about an hour or two of work, and you already have a full month's worth of content already done. Now, what you also want to do here is you want to make sure that you're actually using some keywords in your titles. So what you want to do is you want to check out these channels right here, see how they're actually labeling their music. Also check out the video tags for these videos, see what tags they're actually using in their videos. And what we're actually doing, guys, in order to make this work, is that we're modeling what's already working. We're not reinventing the wheel or anything like that. If it's already working for these two channels, what we simply are doing, we are modeling what they are already doing. We're modeling what's already working. So see what's working for these channels, and then what you want to do is you want to apply it to your channel. Now, this is going to be the bonus tip. So what you can do here is that because a lot of people are actually going to be listening to these channels in order to study with and to actually just listen while they're working and things like that. And as you can see here, they all have headphones in these images, right? So this will be a prime opportunity to actually sell headphones through your videos, so that way you can earn some additional income. So what you can do here is you can come to Amazon.com and you can become a free affiliate for the affiliate program. So you'll go to Amazon.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, click on the button that says become an affiliate, and you just want to apply, and it's free to join. And then once you have done that, you can do a search of different headphones that you can offer on your channel. So once you have a list of a few headphones, you'll just grab the affiliate link for these headphones, and you'll put all these links in the description below your video, since a lot of these type of videos get a lot of views. And then if you don't have a good idea of what headphones you should sell, you can come to youtube.com, do a search for best headphones 2020, and you can see a slew of videos that are giving their opinions on the top headphones to use. So you can watch any of these videos and grab the actual headphones that they actually use or they actually recommend in these videos. Grab those affiliate links on Amazon and put them in the description of your YouTube videos. And that's how you can actually earn an additional income before you even get monetized by YouTube. And then also, once you do get monetized by YouTube, you now have 2 income streams that you're earning from your channel simply by uploading music. So in this video, I share with you a simple strategy on how you can actually make big money as a broke beginner. And with this strategy, you just need to remain consistent, be consistent with your uploads. And again, if you just take out an hour or two for one day, you can upload a month's worth of content in that amount of time. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. If this is your first time watching this channel, leave a comment. Let me know where in the world you are watching from. Also, hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.